My company, Pinnacle Performance, we train in over 43 countries around the world. And everywhere that we train, we see problems with communication in meetings and in presentations at those companies. Doesn't matter how big the company is, doesn't matter how senior the person is that is delivering the presentation or giving the meeting, some problems arise. A study came out recently that found 46% of people who leave a meeting don't know what to do with the information that was just discussed in that meeting. So that's a huge problem, right? If I have 10 people who report to me and I run a meeting for 1 hour, and at the end of that 1 hour, nothing is accomplished, no meeting assets, meaning action items, consensus, decisions being made, no meeting assets are created, that is 11 hours of productivity that I just wasted for my company because that meeting was a waste of time. So the one thing is you got to make sure, again, what is your objective with a presentation or a meeting? What do you want to accomplish at the end? And you've got to make sure at the end you've accomplished that objective. So the combination of 2 words and 2 concepts, those being intention and objective, those are the actor's secret weapon, but they are also the effective communicator's secret weapon. And very simply, you break it down like this. Your objective as a communicator is your goal at the end of that meeting or presentation. It's what you want to happen when you walk out of that meeting or presentation. An objective could be as simple as, I want my people to show up on time. They're slacking, they're coming in late. I want them to show up on time. Or it could be, I want to upsell this client. I want to grow the business. So that's my objective. I'm going to go to this meeting. They're a great client. They've been very loyal. They like us. But they did $500,000 worth of business last year. I want to get that up to $750,000. That's my goal, okay? Or it could be I want to challenge senior leadership, right? My goal could be I want them to do something different. This objective is I want senior leadership to think of things in a different way. So I'm going to challenge them. Now, intention is going to be the one-word verb that's going to help you accomplish your objective. So to challenge senior leadership so they do things in a different way. Intention and objective. The latecomers, I want to reprimand my team so that they show up on time going forward. So that's intention, that's objective. I want to excite my client about the possibilities of doing more business to help them grow their business. So that's intention and objective in each of those situations. We have a phrase, we call it the persuasion equation. And the phrase is this: I want to blank my audience so that my audience will blank. And you put intention in the first slot, you put objective in the second slot. And if you're delivering a presentation, running a meeting, doing a performance review, and you can't fill that in, you can't choose a verb to put in there for an intention, you're not sure what the objective is or what the point of this one-on-one is, don't do the meeting until you have clarity on that. You got to be clear.